Hello everyone, let's learn how to see watch later videos on YouTube. Whether you're new to YouTube or a seasoned user, the watch later feature is a fantastic tool that lets you create a personalized collection of videos you want to catch up on at a later time. But how do you access these videos once you've added them? That's precisely what we'll explore in this tutorial. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open YouTube app on your device. After that, I'm going to show you how to save video on watch later playlist. I will show you two methods. First is to go on this street and click on save to watch later. Second method is to go on video and go to save video on playlist, but select you want to save on watch later. Next, to find this video you need to go on library in bottom right corner of the screen. Then on playlist section find watch later playlist and open that playlist and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.